and this is my first video to show the world my love for Mehndi, or as some would call it, henna designs. Today in my first video I will be showing you how to do a basic Mehndi strip. The more videos I make, the more complex designs I will be introducing on my channel. Today I will be using the Ash Kumar ready to use Mehndi cones. I have been using these cones for Mehndi for a good few years after experimenting with many different brands, and honestly the Ash Kumar henna cones are by far the most long-lasting and richest in colour. Now I will move on to producing a simple Mehndi strip. Now I will proceed to do the Mehndi strip for all of you. Always remember to wipe the tip of your Mehndi cone with a tissue, just so that you can get off all the excess Mehndi. And by doing that, you will be able to get a clean and nice finish. Play. Sometimes, if need be, if your Mehndi does not come out from the tip of the cone, use some scissors to just cut the tiniest bit. But when you do cut with scissors, make sure that your scissors are straight. They're not at an angle, they're not pointing downwards, they're not pointing upwards, otherwise your Mehndi will tend to spiral when it's coming out. It won't come out just straight like this. So I'm just going to cut it. So like so, straight. Line it with your finger if you have to. Just straight. There we go. And you'll find that your Mehndi comes out a lot easier. So in a sense, this video will also be giving you tips and tricks onto how to get the perfect Mehndi strip. Such Mehndi strips can be used when doing Mehndi in weddings or just any simple occasion. If you're going on holiday, a party, birthdays, anything. And can be applied on any bit of skin on the bodies, whether that be the legs, the hands, arms, feet, back, chest. So these are just some basic designs that will come together to form your basic Mehndi strip. And this close-up will show you exactly how you do them. This part is called shading, also very basic Mehndi technique, typically used within the flowers. As you can see, my Mehndi is also coming out a lot more efficiently. It's very important to gain control over your actual henna cone. So although this cone is this long, as a side note, I would recommend holding your cone just under halfway. So essentially it looks like that. That gives you a lot more control rather than holding it from up here, where you're going to have to be squeezing it a lot harder to get the Mehndi out. Just clean it. You'll often find that many of the designs which form a Mehndi strip are very repetitive, and that purely just depends on what design you actually come up with. And there we go. A nice simple Mehndi strip. And as you can see, you have a lot of repetitiveness with this design, and this bit in the middle here. And that's really just what makes up a Mehndi strip. And this could become a nice design on your hand. So coming up along here, or on your thigh, your foot, back, your arm. And there we have it. So for aftercare of this Mehndi, typically for any sort of Mehndi or henna design that you create, once this has dried up, all you would have to do is mix some lemon juice. It can be lemon juice out of a bottle or fresh lemon juice. Mix it with sugar in a bowl, and using cotton wool or even just a tissue, mix that up and just dab it. Just dab it on this Mehndi. You get a sticky sort of sugary syrup, but that will dry up your henna even more and bring out more of the colour. So you get a nice sort of dark red, rich brown sort of shade. But one tip is that the longer you leave this Mehndi on for, the darker it will go. But also, if you tend to see your Mehndi get darker over the duration of another 2 to 3 days, once you've scrubbed it off, then that's completely normal. And having said that, once your Mehndi all dries up and you want to take it off, I would also recommend you just brush it off. So simply just literally brush it off like that, because washing it with water, your colour won't be as deep and to its full potential. And there we have it. Thank you all for watching my video. I hope you have gained quite a lot of information about Mehndi and how to do just a simple henna strip. Please like, subscribe and share this video, as well as a thumbs up would really be appreciated. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you soon. Bye!